Seems totally ripped up. That window rolling out. It's a lot over here to the left. Like a house up there.
Whoa. Oh wow, look at some of these houses here.
Yeah, these people got it bad.
Oh my god.
Wow, look at that one. To the left. Their roof's ripped totally off.
Oh my god. Look, honey.
You should put the camera away. I think it's good.
I just wanna, maybe it'll help people.
That's gonna help.
This must have been the worst of it. Oh my god. Seriously, it's like something out of a movie.
It's like the teenage.
I have Channel 12 News is here. I've never.
They got their roof ripped off.
Oh my god.
Wow, look at that.
Holy crap. This probably used to be a really nice cul-de-sac. Oh my god. See, we're not the only ones taking pictures.
I can't believe that this place got wrecked.
Yeah, this was destroyed.
Yeah.
I noticed there's like a lot of houses that have spray painting on them, different colors and stuff.
I wonder if that means stuff, yeah.
I just saw one that was a big red circle and it had an S through it.
These poor people are all...
You know, and how many of them have like little babies, and it's hard enough, you know, to have like an infant. Now you got to deal with this.
At least they got cops everywhere so that nobody can go out looting and all that.
I don't think you really have to worry about that in an area like that.
That's what, there's a lot of people that, well no, I mean it's a lot nicer here,
Well, look
but...
at that stop sign.
Huh?
Look at it.
Stop signs in the paper.
Oh yeah.